Selenium RC Introduction. Selenium RC Introduction. Selenium RC was the main Selenium project for a long time, before Selenium WebDriver. Selenium 1 is still actively supported, mostly in maintenance mode. It includes support for several computer programming languages like Java, JavaScript, Ruby, PHP, Python, Perl and C#. It supports almost every browser in use. How Selenium RC works. Selenium RC Components. Selenium RC Components are the Selenium Server, which launches and kills browsers, interprets and runs the Selenium commands passed from the test program, and acts as an HTTP proxy, intercepting and verifying HTTP messages passed between the browser and the AUT. Client libraries which provide the interface between each programming language and the Selenium RC server. Selenium RC Components. A simplified architecture diagram is below. The diagram shows client libraries communicate with the server passing each Selenium command for execution. Then the server passes the Selenium command to the browser using Selenium core JavaScript commands. The browser, using its JavaScript interpreter, executes the Selenium command. This runs the Selenium action or verification you specified in test script. Selenium Server. Selenium Server receives Selenium commands from test program, interprets them, and reports back to program the results of running those tests. The RC server bundles Selenium core and automatically injects it into the browser. Selenium core is a JavaScript program, or a set of JavaScript functions which interprets and executes Selenium commands using the browser's built-in JavaScript interpreter. The server receives the Selenium commands from test program using simple HTTP GET or POST requests. Thus, you can use any programming language that can send HTTP requests to automate Selenium tests on the browser. Client libraries. The client libraries provide the programming support to run Selenium commands from a program of your own design. There is a different client library for each supported language. A Selenium client library provides a programming interface (API). The client library takes a Selenium command and passes it to the Selenium server for processing a specific action, or test against the application under test. The client library also receives the result of that command, and passes it back to program. Program can receive the result and store it into a program variable and report it as a success or failure, or possibly take corrective action if it was an unexpected error.